Hello. Hi. Traffic is so bad. Hello. Oh my god. Anyway, how are you guys? I'm on my way to visit my girlfriend, actually. She's doing a photo shoot at the moment.
Keep
Kebet-
right.
Oh, sorry for the waste. Kebetulan ada spare waktu kosong, so I'm thinking to visit her, to give her a surprise visit. Siapa itu di samping? Gak ada siapa-siapa di samping. So, what do you want to talk about? Jalanannya macet banget nih di Sudirman. I'm currently at Sudirman at the moment. Traffic is so bad. Tadi mau naik Gojek, but I thought ya udahlah, hari ini naik mobil. Keep on Periscope. Okay, I'll try to manage that. Someone is on her birthday. Happy birthday. Kamu nyuruh aku kelipo kemang? Are you kidding me? Ini gimana ya? Kalau misalnya kalian disuruh kasih solusi untuk menyelesaikan macet di Jakarta, what would you do? What would you do to solve traffic problem? I'm thinking about it too now. Gimana? Solusi untuk solusi cepat untuk menghilangkan macet di Jakarta. That's an interesting topic. MRT, yeah, that's possible. MRT, that's possible. What else? Aku juga belum mikirin nih. I'm thinking about it right now. Public transport, of course, subway, yeah. But I think MRT, subway, it's a long-term, it's a long-term project. So I'm thinking about something, sesuatu yang cepat, spontaneous. Warga Jakarta juga baik beli mobil, ya. Perbaikan angkutan umum, of course. Batasi produksi kendaraan. Exactly, that's a good one. But is it okay if I keep speaking English? Because I am more comfortable speaking in English. Kayaknya bahasa Indonesia jadi agak kaku. But I try to manage to do both. Public transport, of course. What else? Kalau saya mikirnya gini, ya selain membatasi jumlah produksi mobil, harusnya mobil di atas 5 tahun itu sudah harus out dari Jakarta. Jadi sebarkanlah mobil-mobil yang lebih tua itu ke daerah-daerah yang memang trafficnya tuh belum separah ini. Kayak sekarang masih ngelihat mobil yang usianya mungkin 10-15 tahun tuh masih ada di Jakarta. I don't think it's right. Jadi mengalokasikan kendaraan-kendaraan yang sudah di atas 5 tahun ke daerah-daerah yang tidak macet. Jadi maybe, I don't know. Ya sih, pajak harus lebih tinggi. Well, yeah, that's possible. Atau nggak dipindahin pemerintahan ke Kalimantan, right? Pindahin kemana gitu. You know, what I think about Jakarta is semuanya itu centralized di satu kota. Nah, kalau kita bandingin, for example, Amerika, contohnya gini, America as a nation, let's say government system, they have Washington DC. Kemudian untuk businesses and finance, they got Manhattan, New York. Kemudian untuk entertainment, movie, they got LA. Jadi kayak semua industri itu tersebar di banyak distrik. Jadi orang punya passion, orang punya mimpi. Let's say mereka pengen terjun ke politik, they go to Washington. They wanna be an actress or an actor, they go to Florida, Los Angeles. Terus kalau misalnya mereka mau jadi businessman, they go to New York. Sedangkan kalau kita di sini, everything is centralized in Jakarta. Can you imagine that? Everything. I don't think it's right? But I love the city so much. I love Jakarta so much. I cannot complain anything about it. Well, the traffic is bad, but I met my friends. I have my family here. I make money out of this town, and I got my girlfriend here. So I think I'm happy with that. I'm happy with Jakarta. I was just hoping if they could improve just a little bit. Right? That's what I said. Yep, exactly. Sebenarnya nggak samain sih, it's more like a benchmarking, right? The trouble is, it's not the traffic, it's the people. Oh, tell me about that. That's quite a lumayan menarik. Susah kalau dari sistem udah begitu, ya. Yeah, true. Memang sistem di Surabaya seperti apa? For those who just came in, hello. Welcome to my Periscope again. Dibenahin dari ya. You know, I like the word of revolusi mental. You know, at the beginning I was like, what? Tapi kayak setelah ditelaah dan dimengerti lebih dalam lagi, it's kinda true. They have to change the mindset, right? Kayak the way people think about something, the way they process information in their brain, it has to change for a better living. That's true. Jam kantornya dibedain, that's quite tricky, but maybe. I'm at Sudirman at the moment. Traffic is so bad. Just a minute, I have to concentrate. Kalau nggak serempet motor. Some space. My God. You know, ada satu konsep, motor itu sifatnya seperti air. Tahu nggak apa? Mengisi ruang. Luar biasa. Okay, we're good. Gila ya, nyetir aja masih bisa sambil main Periscope. That's interesting. Menurut lo tentang pasar bebas yang akan terjadi? Well, actually, I talked about this few days ago, but you know, I think this is very critical ya, sangat kritikal sebenarnya. I think we need to fix the human resources, karena potentially kalau misalnya foreign investment udah masuk, not only investment but also the labor, international labor udah bisa masuk ke sini. If we're not ready, if our human resources are not ready, then it will create a new problem. Jadi kayaknya yang harus dibenahi adalah SDM-nya. SDM yang cerdas. Jangan sampai dijajah lagi. Kita harus jadi raja di tanah kita sendiri. Agreed. I think I gotta go left here. Yeah, I think so. Alright. So, terus what else? Hai. Duh, kok WC mati nih. Anyway, let's try to find a place in a traditional way. Kalau nyasar kita tanya orang, right? As I said, I like talking to new people. I'm on my way to see my girlfriend. I think it's supposed to be a surprise visit. You know, I don't really enjoy talking about personal stuff, so I won't answer that question. Actually, I'm quite close to the place. Tapi gimana ya? Let's ask. Oh no, kita kemana nih? Alright. Sinyalnya oke juga hari ini. And hey, don't forget, I'll keep saying it again over. Oh, just a minute. Pak, Hermitage Hotel di mana? Ah, Hermitage Hotel. Tahu nggak? Oke. Masih. Sorry. Alright. Nggak tahu tampaknya. Kok chatnya nggak ada yang masuk? Something wrong with the signal. Pav is wet. Oh, Pav. Hi, Pav. Are you there? Bad connection. Pav lagi makan sop buntut. Enjoy your sop buntut, Pav. Oh no, I think I'm lost. Where am I? Okay. I have no idea where the hell am I. No idea. Anyway. Waktu saya di Korea, you know, they got the 5G signal. So can you imagine 5G signal? How badass is that? Sedangkan kita masih suka nggak ada sinyal kadang-kadang. Amazing. Padahal kita punya user social media tuh, I think the 4th biggest in the world. The 4th biggest country in the world who use social media, and we're still having bad connection. But I'm not gonna complain again. Enough complaining. I know, 5G, right? Yeah, I was thinking to take Gojek actually, but I don't know why. Just a minute. Sorry Pak, siang. Saya nyari Hermitage Hotel, tahu nggak Pak?
Jalan?
Jalan, aduh saya lupa lagi jalannya.
Hah?
Saya lupa jalannya. Hermitage Hotel, tahu nggak?
Tahu Bos.
Saya kayaknya nyasar deh Mas.
Hotel mana?
Ada Hermitage Hotel, tahu nggak Mas?
Oh, Hotel Hermitage.
Yes,
Ya,
yes.
ini Mas nih kanan nih.
Kanan,
Ada lampu merah.
oke,
Lurus lagi.
oke.
Belok kanan kiri Jalan Bandung apa Jalan Semarang, Mas ke kiri aja.
Oke.
Nanti udah ketemu di situ.
Baik,
Untuk jalan-jalan.
kanan lampu merah, nanti kiri. Oke.
Jangan lampu merah kiri, nggak ke kanan.
Oh, lampu merah lurus kan?
Lurus.
Nanti ada di kiri jalan.
Nah, setelah lampu merah itu ada jalan ke kiri.
Ya.
Pertama apa kedua itu sama aja.
Oke, Mas, terima kasih.
Siap.
Luar biasa.
Ya.
They're so helpful. Indonesian people are so nice. Oke, ternyata nggak nyasar-nyasar banget. Yeah, I try to avoid Waze. I can use Waze, but I'm trying to use a conventional way to find place. Kalau yang zaman dulu kan pasti nanya kan. Kalau bisa hindarin teknologi, sebisa mungkin hindarin. No, I'm just kidding. Kanan lampu merah lurus, lampu merah kiri. Thank you so much. Yes. Daerah Menteng ini masih enak banget ya. Pohonnya, everything about it is nice. Menteng. Probably that's why it's so expensive. I can use the GPS, but I have to shut down the periscope, so this is me doing it for you guys. Setelah lampu merah, belok kiri. Okay, the second one. Yes! Nice. Whoa. Whoa. Damn. What was that? Sorry. Kayak kita udah deket deh. Oh, this is it. Wow. It's a nice hotel. Ini parkir di mana ya? I think here should be okay. Okay. All right, I'm here. Before you see your girlfriend, make sure you have some mint, so you smell good. Nah sih, kebetulan aja ada. Alhamdulillah sampai. So, should I keep it on or turn it off? I think I'll keep it on. Why not? How to get in? Keep it on, alright. No shit, it's locked. There. Mau tuh surprise-nya. Ini Pak. photoshoot di mana?
Photoshoot di Lampung lantai 9, kamarnya di lantai 7. Mau kemana?
Apa yang lantai 7?
Kamarnya.
Oh gitu. Saya mau lihat lokasi photoshoot.
Lokasi boleh.
Ya. Thank you. Oh, itu dia.
Oh, di sini silakan.
Is it her? Wait a minute. Yes, it is her. Thank you. Thank you. Hey! Good afternoon. How are you, Marcus?
Very good. How are you? Good to
Very
see
good.
you.
Very good. Likewise.
Yeah.
The last time I went here, it was me as my girlfriend.
Okay.
So
She's
yeah.
having today, yeah.
Yes. You should say hello to all my friends.
Yeah.
So anyway, let me check on. She's not doing a photo shoot. Potter, hi. Apa? Ya? Udah selesai?
Mulai.
Oh udah mulai. Oh gitu. Busy girl. There she is. Jadi jam berapa tadi?
Sampai sini.
Ah. This is me. Hi.
Hai.
Lo ada Periscope?
Ada.
Ada. This is fun. You should follow him. He's the road manager Elisa. Potter.
Hai. Follow Potter.
Potter. Right. Ini buat apa tuh? Oke.
Gimana?
Iya. Apa?
Acara.
Ya, 2 weeks. 2 weeks from now. Ya. 2 minggu lagi nanti kayak banget. Tapi harus santai sih kayaknya. Karena ada beberapa artis yang tiba-tiba confirm participate, tapi last minute batal gitu. Ganti. Jadi gue masih approach international artis. Siapa ya? Ada Jarvis Crew, terus Martin Garrix, gitu. She's done? Come. Finally, they've been waiting for this.
Hi them.
Hi them. Oh, flip on still there. So finally, mereka bilang jangan dimatiin katanya. I was with them along the way.
Ja, aku tadi lihat kamu.
She looks so pretty.
Thanks.
So yeah, thank you so much for apa ya?
Hi Stroms.
Hi. You look very nice then, by the way.
Thanks. Aku sekarang lagi mau photoshoot buat Sharp. Tadi di atas ada Mbak Donna Agnesia sama ada Mas Indra Bekti juga.
Now you have me with you for a few hours. Okay, so thanks guys. So see you soon.